I'll set this up a little bit. He's got a couple minutes each. First with Graham Elwood. He's got a new format. Now he's got some engineer sidekick working with him. It's weird. They don't show the new guy on camera, apparently. I'm going to be speaking over him and them. But what I want you to look for, and I'll be talking about it when it appears, it'll be better if you know what to look for. Watch them moving their heads and how no one real talks like they do. They're reading. The thing's scripted. It's rigged. They're talking nonsense, too. They're not organic one bit. Watch at the beginning, Fiorella and Pasta, they try to be fake off the cuff. Talking about how they met, and then when it resumes, you'll see that Fiorella just goes right back to being obvious, looking at the teleprompter. Watch how their eyes go back and forth, and their bodies go sideways. They can't just use their eyes a little bit. They're going right to left, back and forth. You'll see. Just keep in mind that they're reading. They can't memorize this stuff. They don't seem to even try. That's who they need to hire. They need to hire people who know how to memorize stuff, because these people suck at what they do. So look for that. I've talked enough. It's going to be live streaming the way I live stream. I mean, no edit cuts. And whatever time's left over, I'll do a little bit of singing. Why not? I think I'm freaking them out that I ended up singing, because it just gives me a lot more credibility. I took the plunge. I tried it. I did it in public. I tried it. And it worked out. It doesn't seem to have worked out. I've proven I can sing pretty good. My voice is pretty good. I just know where the notes are. I'm not saying I'm unique or special, this or that. I'm saying I got perfect pitch and that I learned how to sing. I'd never sung before. So I'll do a little bit of that too. But before then, let's go to that live stream. It's about 4 minutes. Thank you. 5, 4. Let me just check to make sure this is still. Yes, we're still on. Okay, here goes. I'm watching what you're watching. When after I go, it starts. Okay, here goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start.
All in violation of antitrust. That everything they just laid out there is a violation of antitrust,
now,
and
some
that's
guy
why
putting up the screenshots.
You know, we're all forced
his body
to
moved,
use
his
it.
eye.
And
watch his eyes.
It's like
watch all their eyes.
Like a car, like whatever. You buy a Ford.
Why can't he stand straight and
you
speak
have
like
the
a
option
normal
of
person?
buying Ford products or
head
aftermarket products.
was
You can buy
forward
other.
And go,
you can go to
you
whatever.
Can't see
you can go
that?
to AutoZone and buy things for your Ford that
Why do
other
I have to
companies
explain what I'm
make.
saying?
What the tech
Yes,
companies are doing,
autism.
and what this lawsuit is bringing up, is the fact they're forcing you to use their stuff.
I'm staring at his eyes.
If Ford forced you to only buy Ford stuff for your Ford car, that they can't do that.
Where his eyes are.
It's a free market economy. Now we know we don't have one because
we never see his so-called new
I'm
producer
glad that this is going
on
after
camera.
big tech billionaires.
Because
they
supposedly
also hide behind this. Oh, we make
Elwood's
this cool technology
left.
that connects everybody, and everybody wears skateboard shoes and hoodies on our cool campus. And it's like,
see how
you're
it's
still
going
a big
right to left,
you're
left
still
to
big
right,
billionaires.
left to
you
right
still
is
are a bunch
reading.
of assholes that could end homelessness
so his head's
overnight,
moving.
but instead you're
Who
flying your
talks
cock
like that?
rockets around the planet for 4
Look
months.
at how
with
he's going like a typewriter.
So, gee, I can't imagine why anyone would want to file an antitrust lawsuit.
The old school typewriter.
So let's go to the next slide.
So you change the show to all things comedy, or
people
is this once
not
a
subject
week?
to antitrust laws is Major League Baseball.
Yeah, I know.
The producer.
And Major League Baseball can do whatever it wants because it's
He
our national
shows love
pastime, which we both
to
love
script,
baseball.
fake, impromptu,
but you bring up a great point, Aaron, the producer here at All
This
Things
is
Comedy,
totally organic. That's a great point
that
you organically, that we just organically
they
communicate
can say
together.
we're the national pastime, and somehow it's
I'll
like
watch it. Grimace.
I love baseball.
That's a hard
I love
grimace.
baseball, but come on, man. There's
come
still
on,
a big
man.
corporation that is not held accountable to antitrust lawsuits.
Yeah, I think it'd be much worse if the NFL wasn't, but
it's with these weird deep state engineers.
Well, all the big sports leagues get away with whatever they want to do. All right, let's go to the next slide.
Let's go to frickin' combo coach.
Switching costs are how economists refer to all the things you have to give up to switch between products or services.
Now he's just I'm going to read an article to you
access to people who share your rare disease, or the final messages sent by a dying friend, or your business customers, or your creative audience, or your extended family. By blocking interoperability, Facebook ensures that
speak to you.
The
I'm very happy that Tulsi was Tulsi, and I'm very happy that Bernie was
impromptu.
Bernie. We're sitting here today because of the Bernie.
We're here together because of our love for Bernie.
Kind of talked,
he showed up out of nowhere.
Right.
Somebody
this
was
is
like,
organic.
Yeah, I think I saw her once or
Not
briefly met her.
tongue
that
juts,
was the soy sauce story, right? No, that wasn't true. Like I barely even knew, but somebody's like, you need to talk to Fee. She's into Bernie too, and she's
watch
as
as
deep
Fee
as you
goes.
guys. Like, what do you mean? She's
thanks
like,
for the
half the shit
Merriam
you're talking
Williamson.
about. I don't even know what you mean, but it sounds good. I'm like, well, I'm gonna go talk to Fiorella, and here we are today. Here's your brother. You know what we're doing in life.
Yeah,
so
this
very
is so
thankful
believable
about those moments, but it's very
the
important.
Fucking weasel.
The weasel.
Jesus Christ.
It's very important to analyze what is now and where people are, and kind of build a separate path moving forward, a path that's better for us, humanity, and everyone else. So.
Exactly. All right, Marion Williamson. Now, let's get on to it.
See what I get, people? See?
So where's she looking? Look at their eyes.
Okay. But, okay.
And
so,
how they go left to right. They bob sideways, horizontally. They go
so
left
the
to right.
Biden administration is
What was she looking at right there? That was Jardula's right directly in front of Jardula.
Right? These people that came into the
so
country.
I think she's got 3
is allowing them to be
teleprompters
very, very similar
at her right there. The typewriter.
Or people that are just being extremely mistreated. You know, we've seen the
she's looking right in that area I talked about. So I don't know. Oh, and that
right?
quote thing that wasn't in the
how
manual. I think it was.
Now, this is nothing new.
This is nothing new, and that's where I had it stopped. That's where I said that seems to be an appropriate endgame for this video. So the thing I love about those live streams I do is I don't have to edit nothing from nobody. So it's really easy. I no longer really care too much about social media. So I just wanted to point out that those shows are all rigged. I'd love it if people started mentioning this. Just have everyone know that they're scripted and that they read off teleprompters. You can direct them to when Kim Iverson got caught doing it. It happens. I salute this idea over the last several months, and that's what is going on. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care. Have nice nights or days whenever you're watching this. Truly, I mean that. I'm not trying to sound like Ted Baxter to come across as insincere. What kind of songs can I find? I'll be back. Okay, starting over by John Lennon. Our life together is so precious. Together we have grown. We have grown. Although our love is still special, let's take a chance and fly away somewhere. It's been too long since we took the time, who wants to blame? I know that time flies so quickly, but when I see you, darling, it's like we both are falling in love again. It'll be just like starting starting over. Every day we used to make it love. Why can't we be making love nice and easy? It's time to spread our wings and fly. Don't let another day go by, my love. It'll be just like starting starting over. Why don't we take off alone? Take a trip somewhere far, far away. We'll be together alone again, like we used to in the early days. Well, darling, too long since we took the time. No one's to blame, I know time flies so quickly. But when I see you, darling, it's like we both are falling in love again. It'll be just like starting over. Starting over. Look out! It's so precious. Together we have grown. We have grown. Although our love is still special, let's take a chance and fly away somewhere. Starting over. Red Hot Chili Peppers Under the Bridge. Sometimes I feel like I don't have a partner. Sometimes I feel like my only friend is the city I live in, the city of angels. Lonely as I am, together we cry. I drive on her streets, 'cause she's my companion. I walk through her hills, 'cause she knows who I am. She sees my good deeds and she kisses me winded. Well, I never worry, now that is a lie. I don't ever wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love, take me all the way. I don't ever wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love, take me all the way. It's hard to believe that there's nobody out there. It's hard to believe that I'm all alone. At least I have her love, the city she loves me. Lonely as I am, together we cry. I don't ever wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love, take me all the way. I don't ever wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love, take me all the way. Yeah. No. Yeah. Love me, I say, yeah. One time, under the bridge downtown is where I drew some blood. Some town I could not get enough. Under the bridge downtown, forgot about my love. Bridge downtown, I gave my life away. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. Here I stay.
Here's the thing. Stop standing and being sycophants to any politician. Hold all politicians accountable. Politicians will be politicians. You know, I went after Bernie many times, and now it's time to hold Tulsi Gabbard accountable for the things she's been saying and doing. And this isn't the first time. This has been now a few incidents she has been doing.
Yeah.
Didn't say a word about the Israel attacking Palestine and killing all these kids.
Yep.
People were saying, oh, but she's in a post. She can't make, she can't say things and blah, blah, blah. She made other posts about other things. And she could say something now. She's no longer, and she hasn't. So that's that.
Even going back to her time before she left office too as well, the HR 666, I believe it was, when it came to giving the forces that may be right to remove people from the family to get a virus under control. Yeah. That's another thing we have to talk about too as well. We kind of turn a blind eye and say, well, this is Tulsi Gabbard's kind of like Dustin Hoffman from the movie Outbreak moment, where she just wants to secure it down, get the virus under control.